This illustration now shows and illustrates luminaires over a spa or a hot tub in accordance with the requirements of 680.43B as in boy 1, little c as in car 1, along with NEC 680.43B1C2. Now, notice again, we have a 5-foot measurement from the wall or the walls where the spa or hot tub is located. Now, the figure loop says, whatever you do, do not forget the emergency shutoff switch that is illustrated in figure 11-42. And this is in case emergency occurred while in the water, the folks in the water, they could immediately shut the circulating pump off. Now, this was the case where the young college gal was killed, where they were clowning around in there, and the number in the spa or hot tub, and this individual pushed her down into the water, and her hair accidentally got caught in the suction of the drain, and before they could shut it down, because there was no emergency switch, she drowned. So there's other maybe incidents that might occur where an emergency switch might be needed. Now, notice it calls out in the call out recessed luminaires with glass or plastic lens and non-metallic trim suitable for wet locations, and electrically isolated metal trim suitable for wet locations shall be permitted if they comply with 680.43B1C1, as you see in the illustration. A surface-mounted luminaire with brass or plastic globe or non-metallic body suitable for wet locations shall be permitted in accordance with 680.43B1C2. Now, this deals with isolating the luminaires only that are located above a spa or a hot tub in accordance as illustrated in this figure 11-32.